Hi everyone, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. So you're getting ready to film your first, and you're considering of how much film to order. Well, you want to order more than you have in mind. And the reason for this is when you get out on your sets, wherever they may be, things are going to happen, of course, as we all know. What could those things be? Well, you could have a fly or an insect fly on the talent's face, or on the set that you've built, as small as it could be. Could be for animation. But these type of things happen. Your cell phone that you've forgotten to turn off vibrates and startles you, and that jerks your scene and the camera a little bit more than you want, or that you don't want at all. A dog or a cat, or some type of animal walks into the scene. Now, some of this, if you want in your film, then you're more than welcome to leave it in there, of course, upon your own preference. But some people do not. And this could waste film, obviously. So you're going to want more film than usual. So make sure when you order more than you have in mind to begin with. So beginner filmmakers, hope this helps you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our barter, buy and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.